So in this video, we will show how to add Excel solver if you have not had that added at the time of installation. So in this case, you can see the window for the spreadsheet that we're working on. I will go to File in the upper left, and then you will see down here in the left margin options. Then you will find in this again left margin add-ins. I'll click on that. Look down here in the bottom, it says Excel add-ins. I'll press go, manage those, manage Excel add-ins. I said go. So you will choose solver add-in and say OK, and you will be done. So I'll press OK. And this is Excel is thinking. Okay, it's done. So you can see that here in the upper, usually it shows here in the upper right, there is a link to solver now.